In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a video project in Google Vids. So first, of course, is open up the project you'd like to delete. Then at the top menu, click on File, and here, click on Move to Trash. So as you can see here, it says that this video will be deleted forever after 30 days. So basically, if you just leave it in trash, it will automatically be deleted without you taking an action for 30 days. And from here, we can now go to Vid's home screen and see that the video is no longer here. Now, if you open up Google Drive and go to trash, you'll see that our video is still here. Now, if you want to permanently delete it now, just click on the delete button or this bin icon and confirm deletion by clicking on delete forever. But if you've changed your mind, you can restore it in the same page by clicking on this restore button. And it will be added back to Google Vids. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again on the next one.